back to my channel. I'm Nicole here, or if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be an unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. I'm gonna just be unboxing it, opening it up, pulling the little plastic off, how good it feels to do that, open up the box and putting it on my wrist, and telling you a little bit about the watch. If you're interested in seeing this unboxing, go ahead and keep on watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Okay, so this is the Series 3 Apple Watch. This is the second to newest one. The newest one that they released is the Series 5, which, what happened to 4? Interesting. So this is the smaller version of the Series 3. I decided to get the smaller one because I have a small wrist, so I felt like I didn't really need the bigger one. I'm not sure what the difference would be. Like, it looks just aesthetically different. So I was like, I'm fine with the smaller one. And this is the Space Gray Aluminum Black. Honestly, I feel like, let's go. Okay, so I put on the watch. It looks super good on. I love it in black. It feels so smooth and soft to the touch, the band, and it's really comfortable. I have it on the 4th hole, and I have really small wrists, so I think that's really cool that if you have an even smaller wrist, you don't have to worry about like having to make your own little space. Then we have this in here, which is like a little book, kind of telling you about it, the pieces that come in it. So you have your display, the press and hold to turn the watch on or off button is right here. So I turned it on, and I guess it's not on upside down. It's like so hard to show though. Now it's basically showing me how to set it up. It's asking me, bring iPhone near Apple Watch. So easily popped up, Apple Watch, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. So I'll press continue. It's asking me what language, and the top one, I will click English. Now this says, put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera, aligned it with the viewfinder below. So it looks like that. I will do as it says. Now it is sending my phone a 6-digit code that's going to be displayed on my Apple Watch. So I got the code. I'm going to put it in to my phone. Oops. Of course I would mess it up. So now they're pairing together. Now while we're waiting for that, let's check out what came inside this actual little box. Oh! An extra band? I think like a smaller band. And we have the charger in there. Okay, so now my phone is saying start pairing, and I will click start pairing. Now it says set up Apple Watch. The watch is now paired. Okay, so the first thing it asked me was like enabling it to be able to track my location and like routes as far as like if I want to work out outside. So I turned that on, and I did not set a passcode. I can do that later if I feel the need to. Now it says set up activity. The activity app helps you live a healthier life by encouraging you to sit less, move more, and get some exercise every day. To set up activity, we have to provide a little bit of information. So I have to put my birthday, which is August 26th. So I just had my birthday. My sex is female. My height, 5'3". I feel like I'm like 5'3" now. I have to be. Okay, now it says to set a daily move goal, which is based on how active you are or how active you'd like to be. Lightly active, moderately active, or highly active. Whoa. So highly active is 760 calories. So I guess that's like how much you'd want to burn. Moderately is 520 and lightly is 280. I'm going to say moderately because I want to be moderately active. Then it asks you, do you want to install certain apps or all the apps? I just said all the apps, and now they are syncing together. You'll get an alert when it's done, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. Okay, amazing. So it's done syncing, and now it's able to start. So it says press the digital crown to start, which is this piece right here. Press activity. Now on my phone, I can just go to the Apple Watch app where you can go in and try the Mickey Mouse clock and kind of play with the settings in here. And this is called Watch, so you can see it says Nicole's Watch. But some things I wanted to talk about that the watch is actually able to do is that I'm getting straight from Apple. Do it all from your wrist. So this was starting at $199, so with actually taxes it was $213 from Target. How much you move, exercise, stand, track every way you work out, splash proof, swim proof, surf proof. I don't know about swim proof. I would be really nervous to get in the water with this on. It can play your favorite songs from Apple Music, get the exact workout metrics you needed, so like your heart rate, your miles that you ran. You can answer phone calls from here. Hello. You can send text messages, talk to Siri. You can pay for your coffee through Apple Pay, which I think is very convenient. I would use that a lot. You can ping your iPhone in here and see where it's hiding through the Apple Watch. You can go to the App Store, you can use Maps, and you can unlock your MacBook by bringing it closer to it. And then you can show off your style with like changing the bands, which I'm sure you know are interchangeable. I would like to look at new bands from Amazon, but the black looks really sleek. And you can connect it to your calendar by syncing it through your phone, so you'll get notifications on, like, I got one right now that I have a doctor's appointment. You can take a breather for guided meditation and also track your menstrual cycle. Okay, I have to look into that. You can make emergency calls off of this. Again, this is the Apple Watch Series 3 in comparison to a price point of the Series 5. It is $400 for the Series 5 and this is only $200 for the Series 3. A quick look at those differences would be that the Series 5 has an always-on Retina display, and this one you have to raise your wrist to like have it turn on. The Series 5 comes in aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, and titanium as far as the materials and finishes. This one is only coming in aluminum. For safety and emergency, the Series 5 also has fall detection and internal emergency calling, where this one you only have the emergency SOS, so like 911. I'm assuming here in America. Those are a big difference in price point. I like this. I like the smaller one too. Like I'm saying, like it's pretty big. It looks pretty big on me and I wouldn't like it if it was even bulkier. I feel like it's just too much and it's too distracting. So I feel like the smaller size works for me for the Series 3. But for the Series 5, I just cannot see myself paying $400 for a watch right now. But if it is in your budget and you think it's worth it, definitely go for it. But I'm really happy with this and I can't wait to get super cute bands and accessories that you can decorate it with through Amazon for an affordable price. So that's all I really wanted to mention in this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you liked seeing my new watch. I did. I'm so excited to play with it more. And it took me years to actually finally buy one, so I'm happy with it and I feel like I bought it at the right time for me right now. If I would have bought it years ago, I feel like I would have gotten tired of it and not had that much of a reason to use it, but now I feel like it fits more with my lifestyle, so it made sense to get it. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one and I hope you enjoyed it. Oh my gosh.